इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे लास्ट 5 ईयर्स बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन एसबीआई क्लर्क। तो टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस है जो बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस सेक्शन से पूछे गए हैं एसबीआई क्लर्क में पिछले 5 सालों में। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ फेडरल बैंक। तो इसका आंसर है अलुवा, कोच्चि, केरला। इंडियन पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन विच ईयर। तो 2018। What is the share of central government in RRB? Central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsor bank 35%. Atal Pension Yojana is regulated by which authority? PFRDA. Company which manage asset is called Asset Management Company. Mudra is subsidiary of which bank? SEEDB. What is the minimum paid capital for retail banking under new umbrella entity? 500 crore. Oriental Bank merged with which bank? Punjab National Bank. How many deputy governors are there in RBI? 4. First white label ATM launched by which company? Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited. What is the stake of Reliance Industry Limited in Jio Payment Bank? 70%. CFT full form है combating the financing of terrorism. टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस टोटल रिसीट्स एक्सक्लूडिंग बोरोइंग्स, तो फिजिकल डेफिसिट का फॉर्मूला है। हाउ मेनी एसोसिएट्स मर्ज इन SBI? 5. FEMA स्टैंड्स फॉर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट 1999. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ AI? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। RBI हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम जनवरी 1, 2021 द पॉजिटिव पे सिस्टम फॉर चेक ट्रांकेशन। व्हाट इज द स्टेक ऑफ SBI इन जियो पेमेंट बैंक? 30%. SFIO की फुल फॉर्म सीरियस फ्रॉड इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिस। फर्स्ट फॉरेन बैंक टू ऑपरेट इन गिफ्ट सिटी इन गुजरात, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड। TN मनोहरन कमेटी was formed by RBI. Name the new योजना formed in यूनियन बजट फॉर फिशरीज, प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना। न्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म फॉर रिसर्च सेक्टर इज नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन। व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ मुद्रा लोन गिवन टू SHG वुमेन फॉर a year? 1 लाख। 25% corporate tax will be applied on companies having annual turnover 400 crore. What is the full form of PCR? Public Credit Registry. TDS of 2% will be given for a transaction up to 1 crore. PM Karam Yogi Mandhan Yojana is applicable on shopkeeper having annual turnover less than 1.5 crore. Housing Finance Company regulator is RBI. Elephant bond is related to which sector? Infrastructure sector. As per Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, amount to be given to women 5,000 rupees. The government will charge 2% tax if aggregate cash withdrawal from one or more account exceed 1 crore. Full form of A in FBA, Financial Benchmark Administrator. R stands in LRS, Liberalized Remittance Scheme. AIIB headquarter, Beijing, China. What is C stand in CBLO? Collateralized Borrowing and Lending Obligation. What is the full form of PMVVY? प्रधानमंत्री व्यय वंदना योजना पेंशन स्कीम है। What is L stand in PMLA? Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. What does F stand for? PFMS, Public Financial Management System. What is MCLR? Marginal Cost of Fund Based Lending Rate. FCNR, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Account is considered as Fixed Deposit Account. What is IRDAI? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. The relationship between the bank and locker hire is in nature of lessor bank and lessee customer hire of locker. Similar terms are bailer or bailee. When a customer give a seal box to the bank for safekeeping, the bank become bailer, customer become bailee. Which Bank of the India maintain principal account of central as well as state government as its central accounts section? RBI. NEFT is an electronic fund transfer system, National Electronic Fund Trust System, that operate deferred net settlement basis which settle transaction in batches. PSLCs are tradable certificate issue against priority sector loan of banks. What does meaning of Cs in PSLC? PSLC की फॉर्म होती है प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग सर्टिफिकेट्स। सेंट्रल ऑफिस ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक was initially established in Kolkata, now Kolkata, but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. Bank of Rajasthan was merged with which private sector bank? ICICI Bank. Which bank has the highest willful defaulter? SBI. ABG CPR Limited 1875 crore. द सेलिंग ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एंड अदर इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज बाय बैंकिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन इज कॉल्ड बैंक का इंश्योरेंस। तो ये थे टॉप 50 पीडीएफ मैंने टेलीग्राम पे इसका अपलोड कर रखा है, वहाँ से आप इसको रीड कर सकते हो।